Hello, friends. How are you? I think all of you are very fine right now. Good morning to all of you. Welcome to my channel Spoken English Shuvendu. Today I thought I would make a new video about spoken English. What is spoken English? It's just a language like Bengali, Gujarati, Tamil, Marathi. It's just a language. Native speakers don't use grammar while speaking English. Tell me, when we speak Bengali, do we use Bengali grammar? No. Spoken English is also like that. But keep it in your mind, you have to use the proper tenses and sentences. That's all. Spoken English is tenses and sentences is enough for spoken English. And you have to grab new words, you have to grab new phrases for daily use spoken English. That's it. Native speakers never use grammar while speaking English. So try to be a native speaker. Okay. And fluency. How to increase your fluency? Fluency level, I think fluency means you don't have to be speak very fast English. You can speak slowly, but you need not stop while speaking English. Spoken English is very easy. If you try for 1 year, if you try seriously for 1 year, then you must able to be learn or you must able to learn how to speak English properly, fluently and confidently. Spoken English very important in modern era. So I request you please learn that language. It's a global language. So spoken English is very important in everybody's life. I want to share my some experiences. When I started spoken English, when I started speaking English, I made a lot of mistakes in my life. People laugh at me, okay, but doesn't matter. You must be afraid of laughing. You must be afraid of that people laugh at you while speaking English. Okay, don't fear and don't be afraid of and don't be panic. Just speak it. Speak it boldly. Speak it boldly like a brave man. Somebody laughs at somebody laughs at you, that doesn't matter. Ignore them. Speak confidently, fluently, and try to learn new things, new words, new phrases every day, every time. I guarantee you that one day you will be able to speak English very fluently and confidently. At first there will be a mistakes. At first there must be mistakes. But from your mistakes, try to learn the correct things. Everybody does mistakes. Don't worry. Try to learn from your mistakes in life. Spoken English is nothing, it's just a language. Keep it in your mind, it's just a language. Our problem is that our mother tongue is Bengali. Then when we try to speak in English, at first we think in our mother tongue, then we try to translate, then we speak English. And it takes a lot of time, right? So don't do that. Speak from your heart, speak from your mind. Whatever your mind want to say, just speak in English. And for this, and for speaking English, you have to grab a lot of words. So grab words from YouTube, some books, some dictionary, from some dictionaries. Okay, you have to mug up. many words. You have to build up your vocabulary. You have to build up your phrases, okay, for spoken English. And then you will be able to speak English very, very fluently and confidently. Speak English. Let's boost up our confidence and let's make the nation perfect. We have to learn spoken English. I am also learning. If I make a mistakes, then please correct me and let me know in the comment section. I am also learning. I am also a student. So mistakes doesn't matter in life. Learn from your mistakes. This is the fact. Learn from your mistakes. This is the fact. Real fact. There are many native speakers, there are many orators. They don't have any fear. They are fearless. They speak very, very confidently and fluently. They don't think about wrong English, but they speak correct English. So try to be a native speakers. Try to be a orator. Orator means public speakers, and try to give speech in occasion, in festivals, in English, and that will boost up your confidence level. And in this way, your confidence level will be boosted up day after day. And study hard, study smart. Thank you, friends, and please help me subscribing my YouTube channel. And I was busy doing my work, that's why I didn't upload much videos for you. I will try to upload next videos very soon. Thank you so much.